hi everyone, we have Vidhi Pandya who's all set to enter the Big Boss house. So, do you want to tell us about your excitement to enter the house?
I'm just very excited, but a big part of me is also very nervous and scared that पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, because ऐसे धक 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 हो रहा है मुझे. My heart's beating so faster every time I think of it. ऊपर से जंगल में संकट, I don't know what's going to happen, where we will stay, how we will stay, what we will get to eat. कुछ नहीं पता, but I'm just leaving everything like जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
Because you're not going to have your phone, you're not going to have a lot of things. So, I'm preparing for that.
क्या ही प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, अभी पता ही है कि कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. So I am just mentally preparing myself to face everything and to be strong through everything possible. I am just training myself mentally, talking to my friends who actually boost me up, to face everything, be strong, अच्छे से करना and everything. So things like that. So only all of those things I'm thinking right now.
And have you watched the previous seasons? Anyone you really liked from the previous season?
Yeah, I really liked Siddharth Shukla. He was my favorite and he'll always be my favorite. I think I loved everything about him. His aggression, his cute little baby behaviors, his romance with Shehnaz. I think each and everything was loved. And it's just getting amplified every time I talk about him or think about him. So yeah, he was my favorite. In fact, he is my favorite.
And of course, anything you know about the host Salman Khan, and of course, you're having Rekha Ji as well this time. So, how is that?
Yeah. Feel extremely fortunate, yeah, to be a part of that season where we have Salman sir and Lekha ma'am's voice. So it's really going to be fun. I don't know what exactly it is and how and what it is, but I'm really excited to witness all of it. And meeting Salman sir is like every girl's dream. To meet this charming and the bachelor guy. I mean, no matter how much he age, I think he is the most wanted munda. And yeah, so excited for that too.
And you know, a lot of people come with strategies. So, anything that you have thought about?
A lot of people who are coming in the house have experienced a lot of reality shows, if not a show like Big Boss. But they have been out there, they have an idea कि रियलिटी शोज में कैसे उठते हैं बैठते हैं, या एटलीस्ट वो लोगों ने बहुत अवार्ड फंक्शंस में गए होंगे लाइफ में ना. आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस नथिंग इन माय लाइफ. So my strategy, there is no strategy. I will try and when I'm inside the house playing task is when I'll be using my mind a lot. Gaming, plotting, gossiping, this, that, all of these things will be there, but only when I'm performing my task. But when I'm not performing, my mind won't function. Only my heart will function. I will be what I want to be. I will feel what I feel, and I will only say those things that comes from here, not from here. This will be used only when I'm playing the game. That is task. But otherwise, I don't want to play games. I don't want to, so much give stress to myself. I just want to enjoy also.
People have seen you on screen. It's the first time they'll see your real personality. So, is that something you're excited
Yeah, I just hope, yeah, they like me the way I am, because I'm not going to pretend, because I'm not going to fake it. So obviously I'll be loved for who I am, and I hope that they like me for who I am and they support me for that.
and anything that you feel you'll miss the most, you know, when you are in the house?
Yeah, I'll be missing my family. Yeah, I'll be missing my brother a lot, my family, because everything else is materialistic. Phone, media, Instagram, world, everything is just materialistic. It can be replaced for me, but my family can't be replaced. So I'll be really missing them a lot. Yeah, because they are my support.
All right, best of luck and thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.